In this aid, we will voice our kind of own and market's viewpoint on NEXO future while talking about NEXO cost gauge for 2022 and then some, which especially is genuinely huge. If it's not too much trouble, generally explicitly remember that you ought to sort of take this and any in every practical sense, truly other expectation while taking other factors into consideration since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like NEXO, or so they truly thought. Presently, we should head into it, or so they generally thought. Before we dig in every practical sense, profound into the NEXO value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that NEXO certainly is an especially wise speculation or not, for what reason will NEXO certainly succeed or generally fizzle or for what reason will NEXO value rise or drop, we should rapidly basically explicitly toss a look at what is NEXO and its to-date history in an especially huge manner. What generally is NEXO, or so they explicitly basically thought. NEXO basically is a one-of-a-kind loaning stage that permits you to procure revenue on by and large exceptionally your digital currency interests in a very significant manner. Loan fees fluctuate by conveyance technique and coin, however you can truly hope to procure somewhere in the range of 6% and 12% APR in an unpretentious manner in a genuinely significant way for the most part. NEXO is situated in Switzerland, which makes it most certainly significantly less helpless against expanding US in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Guideline of crypto loaning stages. NEXO likewise permits you to take out credits in light of how much cryptographic money in essentially your record without selling reasonably your coins and repurchasing them in a for the most part significant manner. Financing costs for credits really start at 5.90% APR in a significant manner. However, you can't at present fundamentally for the most part trade digital currencies through the NEXO stage. The crypto bank account supplier explicitly offers an essentially high return technique for financial backers to bring in cash on certainly inactive coins and fiat without a doubt. What does the NEXO fundamentally token basically do in a significant manner? NEXO was made during the ECO, and circulated to the group and for the most part early adopters in a sort of large manner. The firm offers up to 30% of its benefits with NEXO holders, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The NEXO token supports the credit and store biological system, holding the fundamentally kind of token qualifies purchasers for a 30% portion of organization benefits, similar to a profit. NEXO claims it has paid more than $9 million to token holders starting around 2018. The really token likewise especially fundamentally has a couple of advantages for cryptographic money premium record clients, or so they in every practical sense, thought. In the case of holding NEXO, clients can, 1 in an unpretentious way, procure an extra 2% APY on their stores, bringing stable coins up to 12% and for the most part other digital currencies to 8% in a kind of enormous manner. 2, or so they especially thought. Acquire 5.9% for NEXO's instant crypto credit lines, which is genuinely huge. Other digital money premium record stages have comparative tokens. Celsius has Cell, Crypto.com certainly generally has CRO, or so they certainly truly thought amazingly. They appear to be a way to more and boost in every practical sense, early adopters to utilize the stage and essentially hold the especially token in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. NEXO price prediction for the entirely next 90 days, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The especially lovely entire crypto world sort of is on an edge of an undeniable by and large bear market in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. Bitcoin in every practical sense, has drooped half from its unsurpassed extremely high in the midst of the more extensive market essentially drops influenced by seething expansion and US Fed rate expansions in a by and large huge manner. Financial backers especially are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional really steady business sectors, or so they essentially thought. Crypto essentially is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play and subsequently the auction, which is very critical, which fundamentally is very huge. Our algo still sees a green in 2022, particularly in every practical sense, exact moment part of the year and in every way that really matters, significant method of some sort. This is by and large sort of reflected in our 2022 forecasts, or so they most certainly thought, which especially is genuinely huge. At the present time, Bitcoin generally needs to by and large find a kind of nearby base before we can move in the exact inverse course and explicitly alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will explicitly begin to in every way that really matters, basically do likewise. We by and large have seen this situation many generally times in the removed and sort of later history, which is very critical. Our cost expectation model in a real sense is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in a significant manner. We especially expect whales and kind of genuinely other by and large kind of greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike, or so they sort of thought incredibly. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each venture, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Basics that we certainly assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical genuinely potential, and a few other truly exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. NEXO price prediction 2022 in a by and large significant manner. Our expectation model sees an impermanent change to a bear market toward the start of 2022, preceding we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2022, or so they thought, which is very critical. 2022 October minus 20.63%, $0.8257 in a reasonably most certainly large manner in an unobtrusive manner. 2022 November minus 37.06%, $0.6548, which sort of especially is very critical in an unpretentious manner. 2022 December minus 33.17%, $0.6953 in an all things considered, significant way. 2023 Jan minus 28.75%, $0.7412 in a truly significant manner. 2023 February minus 26.46%, $0.7651. 2023 Mar minus 21.82%, $0.8134 in a genuinely huge manner. 2023 April minus 22.11%, $0.8103. 2023 May minus 20.05%, $0.8318. 2023 June minus 9.74%, $0.9391, or so they truly thought. 2023 July minus 12.60%,